Alright, hello everybody. Welcome to your CYU here, hormones and their effect on the body. So using the lesson, the endocrine system, match the hormone with their correct action or definition by dragging and dropping them into their correct locations. So you'll see on the left-hand side here, in the left-hand column, we have hormone. Then the right-hand side column, or the right-hand column here, we have the action or definition. So causes the body to declare an emergency, which causes the body to become very active. Too little of this may cause laziness or sleepiness. Helps the body store energy in case of emergency situations. Used in the testes to help produce sperm in male. Produced in the ovaries to help females produce eggs. Your vocabulary or hormone words, I should say here: adrenaline, thyroxine, corticosteroids, testosterone, and estrogen.